Alright, let's be real. Have you ever felt like the internet just isn't what it used to be? More ads, more restrictions, and less of that wild free space we all loved? Well, you're not alone. Some say the internet is dying, but is it really? And if it is, what's next? Let's talk about decentralization and the future of the web.
The internet has gone through three major stages. Web 1.0 was a read-only internet like a giant digital newspaper. Then came Web 2.0, which allowed interaction, think social media, e-commerce, and user-generated content. But Web 2.0 also gave power to a few large corporations, and this is where the problem begins.
Yeah, those companies, Google, Meta, Amazon, and a handful of others, own most of the internet traffic. They control what we see, track what we do, and profit from our data. Ever searched for sneakers and suddenly got bombarded with ads for them? That's Web 2.0 for you. So, is the internet dying? Not exactly, but it's getting less open, less private, and more controlled. Censorship is rising, personal data is up for sale, and centralized servers can shut down entire platforms. Remember when Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram all went down at once? That's because they rely on centralized servers. One failure, and boom, millions of people go offline.
And let's not forget about net neutrality. Some internet providers prioritize certain services over others, making it harder for smaller platforms to compete. The internet is not dying, but it is suffocating under central control. Decentralization is the idea of redistributing control from a central authority to many users. Think of it like a public park instead of a private mall. Everyone owns it, and no single company can shut it down.
One of the biggest technologies driving decentralization is blockchain. You might know it from Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but it's much more than that. Blockchain allows data to be stored across multiple nodes instead of a single server, making it almost impossible to censor or hack. So, will decentralization save the internet? Well, it's already happening. Governments and corporations are pushing back, of course, because decentralization threatens their control. But as more people demand privacy, freedom, and fairness, the Web3 movement is growing.
Imagine an internet where you own your data, where platforms can't be shut down overnight, and where your privacy isn't for sale. It's not a dream, it's already being built.
The question is, are you ready for the change? What do you think about decentralization? Is it the future, or is it just another tech buzzword? Let's discuss in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech.
The internet isn't dying, it's being reborn. The question is, who will shape its future?